Okay, quick update here on crypto. This is the morning of January 26th. There's a big Fed meeting today. 2 p.m. is the announcement. So that's really important to understand. That could completely change everything here. It could reverse everything or it could accelerate. But good to know where the markets are looking as we go into that meeting. And so looking at crypto, we're getting a nice rally here. As I said, the monthly charts are the most important thing to be looking at right now. And if you look at the monthly chart for Ethereum and Bitcoin, you can see there's a long lower wick starting to develop, and this is a classic thing you understand when you start to look at multi-time frame analysis. And it's this notion that the long lower wick is really just a rally on a lower time frame. And if we zoom into the weekly, you can see we're starting to look bullish here on week 31. The week has gone green. It's a nice hammer, long lower wick. Very possible that we have a weekly cycle low here. Yet at the same time, this candle looked promising. Sorry, I'll put this on auto. This candle looked promising in real time. And of course, the following week we got slammed. So we'll have to see. But looking promising so far. And if we zoom into the daily level for Ethereum first, we're on day 53. The key level to watch is 2650. That's this low back here in September. That was actually our last daily cycle low. And so we went below that level. And so now we want to see if we can get back above that. The most bullish thing we could have happen is we make a move above 2650, and then maybe we have a pullback, but we hold above 2650 on that pullback. That would be your real signal that we're making a move towards 3,000. 2926 is really the next big level that you'd watch from there. That's this huge low. And then of course there's 3470, which is this huge low here. So still a lot of wood to chop, but this is promising. We'll have to watch for the Fed meeting. And as I'm speaking, we're breaking through 2650 actually. And so if we actually zoom in on a lower time frame, we can see what's happening on the hourly, right? So we have this period of consolidation, and now we're breaking out. So you might imagine the breakout will probably, one way to kind of estimate it is maybe something like that. So maybe we get a move up to 20. That's interesting. I mean, we'll have to see. There will obviously be pullbacks along the way, but what we want to see is that we maybe make a move above here, maybe retest it, and then move higher again. So we'll be watching that really closely. And again, 2 p.m. is when the announcement comes out, and then the minutes, I believe, start to get released around 2:30. So that is going to be big. And if we just look at Bitcoin really quickly, just to get a sense of where we are in the daily cycle, I'll make this the daily again. We'll enlarge this. So also day 52, looking actually a little bit more bullish than Ethereum. You can see this is actually our fourth green day in a row. Now, again, we need to watch. This could be reversed. Like this day here, for instance, I'll take that off. Like this day here started out really nice, and then we had a huge pullback. Now we've regained that. We're now above this high, which is very promising. The next area you really want to see is getting above here, which is at around 41,000. So looking promising, but again, the Fed meeting is going to be the real kind of signal.